Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix the annoying product activation failed error in Microsoft Word. No more activation issues, let's get it fixed right now. First, open this PC and navigate to your C drive. From there, go to the folder that says Program Files x86, and then open Microsoft Office folder, and then open Office 15 folder or whichever version you have. Once you are in, then scroll down until you find folder that says OSPP Rearm. Once you find it, simply right-click on it and click on the Run as Administrator to run it as an administrator. You have to do this 3 times. Don't forget to refresh the window after each run. Now, when you open Microsoft Word, the error should be gone. If the issue persists, here's another method. Go to Disk C, then open Program Files, and then Common Files, and then Microsoft Shared, and then open Office 15 folder. Inside this folder, you'll find the same OSP Prearm file. Run it the same way as before 3 times. After that, your problem will be solved. And that's it. Your Microsoft Word should no longer show the product activation failed error. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.